is the honey super. I don't know what's in there yet. I can see how heavy it is. Yeah, it's pretty light.
Bees are not happy with you.
No queen in there.
How do you know? There's
Because
some...
this is the queen excluder right here. See, this excludes the queen from going up to the top.
Well, now she's going to be able to.
So,
Nice. What are you doing?
smoking them.
Why?
Smoking them calms them down. They all go back into the hive.
Not really. They're swarming me now.
What's that?
They're getting agitated.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah. And you have a suit on and I don't. Why are you taking that off?
This is a reducer. When the hive gets bigger and gets warmer, you want to open it up so the airflow is better. So right now it was that big. In the beginning of the year it was that big. And then I went to that and now I'm just going to leave it off.
They like that. They're all over there now.
So this is, queen may end up being in here. This is full of nectar. You can see it's, some of it is capped, a little bit's capped, but it's
You just get closer.
just pretty much nectar. You can sort of see it. Same thing on this side.
Very nice.
So I'm just actually looking to see,
Yeah, what are you looking to see?
I want to see if the queen is in here laying. You can see the queen.
What's that big thing over there?
That's a cell that's either, it's a drone or it's a queen cell.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like a peanut. The queen cells actually look like peanuts when they're fully.
I hope these bees don't sting me.
Usually when I get near the queen is when, you know, this one here,
Yeah.
this is all,
Ooh.
this is all brood. All
How do you
those
know?
little things that are full is all brood. The queen has laid eggs in them
Uh-huh.
and they're all capped brood.
Nice.
Queen is not on this frame.
Are you going to go through every single frame?
I just want to see if I can find the queen and then
Why?
just make sure that she's still there laying. Looks like she's laying pretty good because that frame was pretty full.
So just leave them. I mean, you bother them so much.
Okay, here's another one. That's all brood.
Nice.
These bigger cells that look like little balls,
Yeah.
those are drone brood.
Nice.
That's how they make the drones.
What's that thing on top of the frame over there? The other side. Oh, yeah, that stuff.
Right here. That's this extra wax that they build.
I hope you don't squish any. These poor bees. Can't you just let them be? No pun intended. They don't even care that you're lifting them out.
Nope. Usually, okay, this one is full of
Wow.
brood. It's a little bit darker.
Yeah.
No queen on this frame either.
Yeah.
The queen is pretty big. This is all brood.
Nice.
She's been laying really, really good, looks like.
Good for her.
See if I can find the queen. More brood. A little bit of honey. What they do is they store honey on the outside and the brood in the middle like that. So the queen has a place to eat while she's laying eggs. So that's a classic look where the brood is in a pattern like this, and then the honey's on the outside edges.
What color is she?
She has
She's a dot on them?
She has a blue dot
Yep.
on her.
She's much bigger.
She's bigger. She's longer. She may not even be in this box, to be honest with you. This box here is going to be all honey. You see that there's no brood on here at all.
Wow.
Usually what they do is they put the brood in the eggs.
Wow, there's a lot of bees on that end.
Yep. They put the brood in the eggs on the inside of the hive and on the outer 2 panels, or 3 panels. So that one's going to be all the same thing. It's all going to be honey. So.
Are you going to check the last one?
Yeah, I may try to take this box off.
Why? No, you're going to check the last frame, I
No.
mean. Why? What if she's on there?
No, she's not.
How
It's
do
just
you
going to be
know?
honey. She would be
In the middle?
laying eggs only in the middle.
Gotcha. Maybe she's sleeping.
She's not sleeping. I'll put this one back up here. Normally I would check to see if this thing's full of any water, but there's no real need.
What are those 2 plastic tubes on top?
These here,
No. Yeah, those plastic
this
tubes.
is the water. This is the sugar water.
Oh.
Usually I would check to see if there's anything in there, but I don't think I'm going to.
My God, you're taking that off? They're going to go berserk. They're already freaking out.
This is just a look from the bottom. See, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this extra wax
Why?
because there's no real need for it. It's you may want to back up. Hon.
I think you need to stop bothering them. They're going to get so angry and bite and sting, I mean.
That's gone.
Hey, we should go get the candle kit at Michael's.
See, so Queen is actually doing really well. She's laying eggs.
Oh no, I hope no bees get squished.
She's laying eggs in that box, and the bottom box is pretty much going to be the same thing. It'll be brood in the middle. She's probably in that bottom box right now.
All right, well, let's go.
I'm going to put this back on. This is excluder again. I'm not going to feed them right now because they should have plenty of food. There wasn't a whole lot of honey in those frames, but there's probably a lot of honey in the bottom. Whoop. Forgot about this box.
And I'm no help because I don't know.
So this is going to be all honey eventually in here.
It's not a lot of honey for all that box stuff.
Well, they're storing honey for themselves right now.
Don't they know we want their honey?
Well, and this is a brand new hive. This is only a month old, 6 weeks old.
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to take a while until I can take honey out of these guys.
How long will it take?
Probably, maybe something in August.
Nice.
We'll see. See now the way that they have, here's an entrance right here for them.
Yeah.
So I leave the box open so they can either go in or out there or on the bottom. And now on the bottom they have, it's fully open now. So
Yeah.
as the hive gets older and gets bigger, they'll be able to, yeah, see here's a bee on here still. They'll be able to protect their hive. As it gives more space, they have to work harder to keep it so it's protected.
Mm-hmm.
And I think right now the hive is pretty big. There's quite a few bees in there.
Nice. And then they have those beautiful flowers right next to them to pollinate.
Yeah.
I wish they would pollinate in our yard so we can get more flowers.
Clean up over here a little bit. So
Thank you.
I'm going to take this off, and that's pretty much it.
All right, smile.
That's pretty much it.